All right, so we're going to talk about the TRX T exercise. It's really good for thoracic spine stability. One of the things that happens is when those shoulders roll forward, the muscles in between the back here, they're called your rhomboid muscles, they get weak. So once you've started to actually do those pec stretches and stretch that out, you can incorporate this exercise with it. So what this exercise looks like is you're going to actually lean back on your heels, and you're going to make sure you tighten your core, so buttocks, abdomen, and then you're going to slowly come up and extend your arms out as you do that. That extension, you want to make sure you're squeezing your shoulder blades when you get to the top, and then you're going to slowly come back down again. So that will give you some stability, and that's going to be one of those exercises that strengthens that mid-back area. There is a breathing instruction with this. Also, you're going to inhale when you're pulling the handles apart, and then exhale when you're putting it back together. But this is a really great exercise to give you more stability, shoulder strength, and it'll actually help your posture too and bring those shoulders back for you. So I hope you enjoy this one, and if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our page. Thank you so much.